A man rose to a place 48 km distant and come back in 14 hours. He finds that he can row 4 km with the stream in the same time as 3 km against the stream. The rate of the stream is what is given here. Along the stream, it means downstream side speed u plus v. If it covers 4 km, so distance by speed, that equal to 4 by u plus v is equal to the distance covered along upstream is 3 kilometers with the speed u minus v. These two times are same. That is what he said. He finds that he can row 4 kilometers the stream in the same time as 3 kilometers against the stream. On simplification, what you will get? 4u minus 4v equals to 3u plus 3v. It means u equal to 7v. u equal to 7v. Is it clear? Now look at to the question. A man rose to a place 48 km distant and come back in 14 hours. Now 48 by u plus v plus 48 by u minus v equals to how much is given? 14. In place of u substitute 7v. Now what you will get? 48 by 8v plus 48 by 6v is equals to 14. On simplification, you will get v equals to 1 because 8 ones 8 sixes, 6 ones 6 eights. As the denominator is common, you will get 14 by v is equal to 14 implies v equal to 1. The answer is option 1. A man can row 7.5 km per hour in still water and a river is running at 1.5 km per hour. If it takes him 50 minutes to row to a place and back, how far off is that place? Let the distance be d. d by what is the upstream speed? Downstream speed u plus v. What is upstream speed? u minus v. This is the total time taken. Is that clear? We have to find the distance. Is given t, u and v. d. What is u is given 7.5. What is v is given 1.5. 7.5 1.5 is nothing but 9. d by 9 plus d by 7.5 minus 1.5, that is nothing but 6 is equal to 50 minutes. Total time taken is 50 minutes. Convert it in terms of hours. You will get 50 by 60. 0 and 0 will get cancels. Now take the LCM of 9, 6 and 6, which is nothing but 18. To make our calculation simple, that's all. 2d plus 3d equals to 15 implies d equal to 3. The distance traveled by them is 3 km. The answer is option 1. A man goes downstream with a boat to some destination and returns upstream to his original place in 5 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water and stream are 10 km per hour and 4 km per respective, the distance of the destination of the starting place is. Similar question. Distance by downstream speed plus distance by same distance he said, okay, upstream speed. What's the total time taken? 5 hours. So we have to find the distance. So d by speed of the boat is 10 and speed of the current is 4. So downstream speed is 14 plus d by 6. 10 minus 4 is 6, which is equivalent to 5. What is the LCM of 14 and 6? 42. Okay. Now 14 ones, 14 threes. So 3d plus 6 ones, 7d equals to 42 into 5. On simplification, d equals to 210 by 10. So answer is 21 kilometers. Option 3 is an answer. Two boats A and B start towards each other from two places. Listen carefully. One is moving in this direction, the other is moving in this direction, opposite direction. How much distance they are apart? 108 kilometers. Speed of the boat A and B in still water. This is traveling at 12, this is traveling at 15. 12 and 15 km per hour respectively. If A proceeds down and B up the stream, they will meet after. So A is traveling downstream speed. It means A's speed will be 12 plus V because it is moving along with the stream. B's speed with respect to current will be 15 minus V because it is moving against the stream. Assume that after T hours they will meet at this point. Assume that after T hours they will meet. Okay. What is the distance covered by A in T hours? Because its speed is moving along with the stream, 12 plus V into T. This is the distance covered by A. This distance covered by A. Similarly, plus what is the distance covered by B? 15 minus V. Same time it is also traveling into T. So this is the distance covered by B and this is the distance covered by A, which is equals to total distance 108 kilometers. Observe carefully. 12T plus 15T. How much? 27T. Vt plus Vt minus Vt will get cancelled. So 27T equal to 108. So T equal to 4 hours. The answer is option 2. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the current is 2 km per hour, it takes 3 hours more in upstream than in downstream for the same distance. He is using the word for the same distance. Distance is equivalent to, if it downstream side speed U plus V, if the time taken is T, upstream side speed is how much? U minus V. What is the time taken? T plus 3 because he is giving the 3 hours more. Okay. Now what is U given? 6. What is V is given? 2. Because man can row 6 and current speed of the current is 2. Okay. 6 plus 2 into T equals to 6 minus 2 into T plus 3. Look at this carefully. 8T equal to 4 times T plus 3. 4 ones, 4 twos. So bring this T to the left hand side. 2T minus T, which is equals to T is equals to 3 hours. On simplification, get 3 hours. Now what is the question is asking? Total distance traveled, either substitute here or here. Now 6 plus 2 into T, 24. 6 minus 2, 4 into 3 plus 3, 6. 4 6 are 24. So the total distance is 24.